artificial intelligence continues to be one of the most attractive areas for investors who are looking for opportunities with strong growth potential, and Palantir has emerged as one of the biggest success stories within this space. The company has consistently proven that it can adapt to a rapidly changing technological landscape, and it is once again capturing worldwide attention as it moves closer to securing a massive international agreement. According to reporting from The Times of London, the United Kingdom Ministry of Defense is preparing to finalize a deal valued at approximately $1 billion. This agreement will also involve the Royal Navy and is designed to allow Palantir to deploy its cutting-edge artificial intelligence systems across the United Kingdom military. These systems will be used to analyze and manage data in ways that improve efficiency and strengthen the military's overall readiness. Specifically, the technology will help identify gaps in recruitment, evaluate deployment readiness for missions, and manage maintenance schedules and parts inventories for essential military assets. This development emphasizes the growing role that artificial intelligence now plays in modern national defense strategies. In addition to the direct benefits of this deal, Palantir is committed to invest up to $2 billion in the United Kingdom over the next 5 years. This substantial investment not only reinforces the company's dedication to the United Kingdom's artificial intelligence and defense sector, but also signals its long-term strategy to strengthen its global presence. Moves like this indicate that Palantir is not merely seeking short-term gains, but is building a foundation for lasting influence in the international defense and technology markets. Palantir's rise to prominence did not happen overnight. The company was founded in the year 2003 in Denver and has since grown into a respected global technology powerhouse. Over the years, Palantir has earned the trust of governments, military organizations, and large businesses around the world because of its advanced intelligence gathering and operational planning tools. At the core of its success is the artificial intelligence platform. This platform integrates generative artificial intelligence directly into the workflows of businesses and government agencies. By doing so, it helps organizations make faster and more effective decisions while simultaneously improving efficiency across a range of operations. This approach has allowed Palantir to become a go-to provider for both public and private sector clients, giving it a strong foothold in the rapidly expanding artificial intelligence market. The company's strong momentum has been further supported by the increasing global demand for artificial intelligence technologies. As industries of all kinds seek to automate processes, improve decision-making, and gain insights from vast amounts of data, Palantir has positioned itself as a key player capable of meeting those needs. Because of this increasing demand, the company has plenty of room to grow and expand even further. Currently, Palantir boasts a market capitalization of about $399.3 billion, which reflects just how much investor enthusiasm has fueled the stock's performance. Over the past 12 months, Palantir shares have soared by a remarkable 388.4%. Since the start of the year, Palantir's stock has climbed an impressive 122.6%, compared with a much smaller 12.2% gain for the broader market. After reaching a new record high of $190 last month, the stock now trades approximately 11.4% below its peak. Such a meteoric rise naturally brings concerns about valuation into the spotlight as investors debate whether Palantir's stock price can continue to justify its impressive growth story. At the current moment, Palantir's valuation is undeniably steep. The stock trades at an extraordinary 391.4 times forward earnings and 140.9 times sales. These figures are far above the averages for the broader technology sector and even exceed Palantir's own 5-year averages of 134.8 times earnings and 31.1 times sales. Such lofty valuations indicate that a significant amount of optimism has already been factored into the stock price, meaning that even small setbacks could have a large impact on investor sentiment. While Palantir has delivered outstanding results so far, these high valuation multiples make it a stock that investors must watch carefully. Palantir's fiscal 2025 quarter 2 earnings report, released in early August, exceeded Wall Street's expectations by a wide margin on both revenue and earnings. For the first time in its history, the company surpassed $1 billion in revenue during a single quarter. This represents a 48% year-over-year increase in revenue, a growth rate that has been steadily accelerating over the past several quarters. The reported revenue also exceeded analysts' forecast of $939.5 million. Earnings per share were 13 cents, which was a 43.8% increase from the previous year and exceeded analysts' estimates by an impressive 62.5%. A closer look at the results reveals that much of Palantir's growth came from its United States operations. Revenue from the United States market jumped 68% year over year to $733 million. Within that figure, the United States commercial segment was especially notable, with revenue increasing 93% year over year to $306 million. Government revenue within the United States also showed strong growth, climbing 53% to $426 million. These figures demonstrate that Palantir is strengthening its relationships with both commercial and government clients in its home market. Palantir's growth was also supported by efficiency initiatives under President Trump's administration. Changes in contract structures and improved operational approaches opened up additional opportunities for the company to win high-value agreements. During this period, Palantir secured 66 deals valued at $5 million or more, and 42 deals worth at least $10 million. These wins pushed the total contract value up 140% from the previous year, reaching a record $2.27 billion. The company's financial position remains strong. Palantir holds $6 billion in cash, cash equivalents, and short-term United States Treasury securities. This level of liquidity gives Palantir significant flexibility to pursue strategic investments, expand operations, or weather any potential downturns in the market. Looking forward, Palantir's management expects Q3 revenue to fall between $1.083 billion and $1.087 billion, which suggests that the company's strong momentum is likely to continue. In addition, building on the positive results from Q2, Palantir has raised its full-year 2025 revenue forecast to a range of $4.142 billion to $4.15 billion. This upward revision reflects management's confidence in the company's ability to leverage its artificial intelligence technology for further growth. While Palantir has earned considerable enthusiasm from many investors, Wall Street analysts are taking a more cautious approach. The stock carries a consensus rating of hold among the analysts covering it. Out of 21 analysts, only 4 have issued a strong buy recommendation. 14 analysts suggest holding the stock, 1 recommends moderate sell, and 2 advise strong sell. Even after its dramatic rise that has taken it well past the average analyst price target of $155.78, there is still room for optimism. On the bullish side, the most aggressive analyst target of $200 indicates that the stock could climb approximately 13% from its current level. In summary, Palantir has established itself as a dominant force within the artificial intelligence sector, benefiting from strong demand across multiple markets and demonstrating its ability to secure large-scale contracts and deliver impressive financial results. However, investors should remain mindful of the company's high valuation metrics, which leave little margin for error. If Palantir can continue to execute effectively and expand its role in both defense and commercial applications, there remains significant potential for additional growth. The company's willingness to invest in international markets like the United Kingdom also shows a clear commitment to building long-term relationships that can further enhance its position in the global artificial intelligence and technology landscape. For more stock news updates, remember to press the like button and subscribe. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.